Hi everyone, and welcome back to Knowledge Your Health. We're so glad to have you with us today. I'm Dr. Oz, and I'm thrilled you're joining us today. Whether you're a long-time viewer or new to our show, we have something valuable for everyone. At Knowledge Your Health, we're committed to empowering you with the knowledge and tools you need to live your healthiest life. Our goal is to provide you with the latest information and practical advice to help you make informed decisions about your health and wellness. You can find more health and wellness tips on our website, knowledgeyourhealth.com. We have a wealth of resources available, from articles and videos to interactive tools and expert advice. Today we're tackling a topic that affects us all: sugar. It's a common ingredient in many of the foods we eat, but it can have serious implications for our health. Sugar is everywhere, hiding in plain sight in many of the foods we consume daily. From breakfast cereals to sauces and even bread, it's important to be aware of where sugar is lurking. While a little bit of sweetness in our lives can be enjoyable, excessive sugar intake can have detrimental effects on our health. It can lead to weight gain, diabetes, heart disease, and other serious health issues. That's why we're diving deep into the world of sugar, exploring its hidden dangers, and most importantly, equipping you with practical strategies to reduce your sugar intake and regain control of your health. We'll discuss how to read nutrition labels, identify hidden sugars, and make healthier choices. Get ready to embark on a journey towards a sweeter, healthier you without the excess sugar. Together we can make small changes that lead to big improvements in our overall well-being. Stay tuned for more tips and insights on how to live your best, healthiest life. Let's face it, we all love a little sweetness in our lives. A scoop of ice cream on a hot day, a slice of cake at a birthday party. These sweet treats can bring us joy and create lasting memories. But when it comes to sugar, moderation is key. Sugar, in its many forms, has become a ubiquitous ingredient in our modern diet. From sugary drinks and processed snacks to seemingly harmless condiments and sauces, sugar lurks in unexpected places. While our bodies need a certain amount of natural sugars for energy, the excessive amounts we often consume can wreak havoc on our health. Join me as we uncover the truth about sugar and empower ourselves to make healthier choices.
Excessive sugar consumption has been linked to a myriad of health problems. It's like a sneaky thief, robbing us of our health over time. One of the most well-known consequences is weight gain and obesity. When we consume too much sugar, our bodies store the excess calories as fat, leading to unwanted pounds. But the damage doesn't stop there. High sugar intake can also increase our risk of developing type 2 diabetes, a chronic condition that affects how our bodies use insulin to regulate blood sugar levels. Heart disease, another serious health concern, is also linked to excessive sugar intake. Sugar can raise our triglyceride levels, a type of fat found in our blood, increasing the risk of heart problems.
One of the most effective ways to reduce your sugar intake is to become a savvy label reader. Food labels can be tricky, often disguising sugar under different names. Don't be fooled by terms like high fructose corn syrup, sucrose, dextrose, or maltose. These are all just fancy names for sugar. Pay attention to the order in which ingredients are listed. Ingredients are listed in descending order of quantity, so if sugar is listed among the first few ingredients, it's a good indication that the product is high in sugar. Remember, knowledge is power. By becoming more aware of the sugar content in the foods we buy, we can make more informed choices for our health.
Natural sweetness, your taste buds won't know the difference. Reducing your sugar intake doesn't mean saying goodbye to sweetness altogether. Nature provides us with a bounty of naturally sweet and healthy alternatives to refined sugar. Fruits, for example, are naturally sweet and packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Berries, in particular, are relatively low in sugar and high in antioxidants, making them a delicious and nutritious choice. Dates are another great option, offering a caramel-like sweetness that can be used to naturally sweeten smoothies, desserts, and even savory dishes. Experiment with different natural sweeteners to find what you enjoy most. Your taste buds and your body will thank you. Smart swaps for a healthier you. Small changes can make a big difference when it comes to reducing your sugar intake. Try these simple swaps to cut back on sugar without sacrificing flavor. Instead of sugary drinks, Quench your thirst with water, unsweetened tea, or sparkling water with a splash of lemon or lime. Instead of sugary cereals, opt for whole grain cereals with no added sugar, and sweeten them naturally with fresh fruit or a drizzle of honey. Instead of flavored yogurt, choose plain yogurt and add your own sweetness with berries, a sprinkle of cinnamon, or a dollop of nut butter. These easy swaps can help you significantly reduce your sugar intake without feeling deprived. Remember, every little bit counts.
Plan to succeed. Meal prepping for sugar success. One of the best ways to stay on track with your sugar reduction goals is to plan your meals and snacks in advance. When you're short on time and hunger strikes, it's easy to reach for quick and convenient options, which are often loaded with hidden sugars. Spend some time each week planning out your meals and snacks for the coming days. This will help you make healthier choices and avoid impulsive sugar cravings. Prepare your meals in batches, so you always have a healthy option on hand. This could include chopping vegetables for snacks, cooking a big pot of soup or stew, or grilling extra chicken or fish to add to salads or wraps.
Deliciously sugar-free recipes for a healthier you. In this section, we will explore how you can enjoy mouth-watering dishes without the added sugar. Cutting back on sugar doesn't mean sacrificing flavor or enjoyment. You can still indulge in your favorite meals and treats while maintaining a healthy lifestyle. There are countless delicious and satisfying recipes that are naturally sugar-free or use healthy sugar alternatives. From breakfast to dinner and even dessert, the options are endless. Here's a simple recipe to get you started: a refreshing and nutritious smoothie bowl that's perfect for any time of the day. 1 cup frozen berries, such as strawberries, raspberries, and blueberries. These berries are rich in vitamins and antioxidants. 1/2 cup unsweetened almond milk. Almond milk is a great low-calorie alternative to regular milk. 1/4 cup plain Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt adds a creamy texture and is packed with protein. 1 tablespoon chia seeds. Chia seeds are a superfood that provides fiber, protein, and omega-3 fatty acids. Toppings: fresh berries, sliced banana, unsweetened coconut flakes, chopped nuts. These toppings add extra flavor, texture, and nutrients. 1. Combine all ingredients in a blender and blend until smooth and creamy. Make sure to blend well to achieve a perfect consistency. 2. Pour into a bowl and top with your favorite toppings. Feel free to get creative with your toppings to suit your taste. Enjoy this refreshing and nutritious smoothie bowl for breakfast or a snack. It's a great way to start your day or to recharge in the afternoon. It's packed with antioxidants, protein, and fiber to keep you feeling full and satisfied. This smoothie bowl is not only delicious, but also incredibly good for your health.
Snack smarter, not harder, sugar-free treats to satisfy your cravings. Snack attacks can be a major obstacle when you're trying to reduce your sugar intake. But fear not. There are plenty of healthy and delicious snack options that won't sabotage your efforts. Instead of reaching for that candy bar or sugary treat, consider these alternatives that are just as satisfying. Keep a stash of nuts and seeds on hand for a quick and easy snack. Almonds, walnuts, and sunflower seeds are excellent choices. They're packed with healthy fats, protein, and fiber, which can help curb cravings and keep you feeling satisfied. Plus, they are incredibly versatile and can be added to salads or yogurt for an extra crunch. Hard-boiled eggs are another great option, providing a boost of protein and nutrients. They are easy to prepare and can be seasoned with a pinch of salt or pepper for added flavor. Keep a few in your fridge for a grab-and-go snack. They are perfect for busy days when you need something quick and nutritious. And don't forget about vegetables. Fresh veggies are not only low in sugar, but also high in essential vitamins and minerals. Carrot sticks, celery sticks, and bell pepper slices make for refreshing and crunchy snacks that are naturally low in sugar. Pair them with a healthy dip like hummus or guacamole for an extra burst of flavor.
Join the conversation. Share your sugar-free journey. We're all in this together. Share your own tips, tricks, and experiences with reducing sugar in the comments below. What are some of your favorite sugar-free snacks or recipes? What challenges have you faced, and how have you overcome them? Your insights and experiences can inspire and motivate others on their own health journeys. Let's create a supportive community where we can learn from and encourage each other.
Reclaim your health, one less spoonful at a time. Reducing your sugar intake is a journey, not a destination. There will be challenges and setbacks along the way, but don't get discouraged. Every step you take towards a healthier lifestyle is a victory. Remember, you don't have to give up sweetness entirely. By making simple swaps, reading labels carefully, and planning ahead, you can enjoy a balanced and delicious diet without the negative effects of excess sugar. Start small, be patient with yourself, and celebrate your successes. Your body will thank you for it. Now, I'd love to hear from you. What's your biggest challenge when it comes to reducing sugar? Share your thoughts in the comments below.